Welcome to Academia. Your journey to exam success starts here. In this video, we'll walk you through the resources section. From the sidebar menu, go to resources and click on ebooks. Here, you'll find a list of all the ebooks you've created. You can manage them by viewing, editing, updating their status, marking them as featured, or deleting them. To upload a new ebook, click on Upload New Ebook. Enter the basic details such as title, subject, and target exam. Add information like author, publisher, and edition. Then select the language, number of pages, and provide a description. Upload the PDF file, set the pricing, configure additional settings, and click on Upload Book. Your ebook will then appear in the list. Next, go to Previous Papers. Here, you can manage all your uploaded papers. To upload a new paper, click on Upload Paper. Fill in the required details such as title, year, target exam, date, and shift. Enter the total number of questions, marks, and duration. Add a description. Upload the question paper and solution if available. Set the pricing, configure the settings, and click on Upload Paper. Your paper will then be visible in the list. And that's how you can efficiently manage ebooks and previous papers in Academia. Transform your exam preparation with Academia.